Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your make money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review.
What if I told you that your wildest dreams could be just one prompt away?
Really, just one prompt?
Yes, you heard me right. We're talking about Google BardAi Prompt, the game-changing innovation that's causing a revolution in the creative world. Absolutely, Google BardAi Prompt is the result of cutting-edge AI technology that transforms a simple prompt into a creative masterpiece. Writers, artists, musicians, and creators from all walks of life are already using it to bring their dreams to life.
I'm curious, tell me more.
Imagine being a writer grappling with writer's block, desperately seeking inspiration. You enter a prompt, and Google BardAi Prompt crafts a story that not only inspires you but captivates your readers.
And for creators in other domains?
The revolution extends to all fields. But wait, there's more. We have something truly powerful for entrepreneurs, content creators, and marketers to supercharge your endeavors. This product is of the highest quality and can help you become unstoppable and generate loads of cash. It's even better, you can sell this product with private label rights and customize it in any way you want. Add your unique spin, monetize it creatively, redesign it to match your brand. Your content creation problems are solved.
Introducing Google BardAi Prompt with unrestricted PLR. This revolutionary new pack of 3,000 prompts will allow you to generate unlimited amounts of fresh and engaging content in any niche with the click of a button. With our prompt pack, you can easily create blog posts, articles, social media posts, email newsletters, ebooks, online courses, sales page, and much more. Our prompts are well researched and most used, so you can be sure that you're creating content that your audience will love. Here are the niches covered in our prompt pack: finance, health and fitness, human resources, leadership, make money online, parenting and babies, personal development, productivity, programming, small business. And the best part is, you get unrestricted PLR on all of our prompts, which means you can use them however you want, without any restrictions. So, what are you waiting for? Get Google BardAi Prompt today and start generating endless profits today. Sell it further at your own price and earn 100% profits. Don't miss out on this opportunity to unleash your creativity and achieve your dreams. It's time to take action.
Hi folks, I'm back. Just to remind you of my 4 bonuses. Find out how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources. Number 2, earn income on Fiverr. Number 3, earn recurring passive income. And number 4, invest 15 minutes a day and get up to $186. And don't forget to check out to earn 10 grand a month in the first link below.